Good morning, guys!
Andito pa tayo sa sasakyan ni Daddy.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Swimming. Nakasuot na po akong swimming.
Ayan.
Kaso
Sino ang kasama natin?
Kanina po kasi umuulan kaya hindi kami po tumuloy na yun lang po.
Sino kasama natin? Trupang?
Mga katropang OFW, ito yung sasakyan ni mga katropang OFW.
Local campers at Kuya
Uwi na ako.
Jets. Kuya Jets TV. Babalik kami ng Pakalas.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Excited ka na? Excited ka na naman?
With you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've been.
Tong! Excited ng bata. Aning, sama ka? Sama ka? Hi ka nga, hi!
Your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay close of God. There was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. But I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to
Morning guys, andito na tayo. Ayan, bagong spot to guys. Ganda, para siyang camping site to. Sa peaceful siya, wala masyadong tao. Ayan. Hi Gio Ong. Inspired by Gio Ong. Tingnan nyo ah. Ang ganda. Papakita ko sa inyo guys, ang napakalinaw ng tubig. Ayan, linaw ng tubig guys. So, ang ganda. Bagong spot natin to. Ayan. Dapat dun tayo sa Pakalat River ulit. Kaso, sarado. Road widening daw. Try natin dito. Ang ganda, ang linaw. Tsaka, tingnan nyo siya. Ang daming mga puno. Malilim siya guys. So, tingnan nyo.
behind me. Just with my look behind me. Just with my look behind me. Look behind me.
Kuya.
Hello.
Ayan. Parang bago pa lang to guys. Tanong natin kung pwedeng mag-camping dito. Para ano. Ayan o. Tignan nyo guys. Ang ganda o.
Where's the life like? Where's my shy hair? Is it called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life like? Where's my shy hair? Is it called living? Look behind. I don't know.
Swimming na ako.
Ganito sa kaganda.
Sa swimming na ako.
Mamaya na nga po kasi titingnan muna natin. Oh.
Oh, sige, titingnan ko.
So guys, ano lang siya, tabing kalsada lang siya, oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ito lang siya. Yan, ito yung kalsada. Dito lang yan sa taas. Yan, dito lang kami nag-park. Ayun sila sa baba. Ito lang yung sasakyan namin, oh. Eh, sasakyan ni tropang OFW. Si local campers.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other
Baba muna tayo
thing?
dun.
Going to do. Where's the life like? Where's my
Guys, so nag-aayos na sila ng ihawin natin. Ihaw tayo ng liempo. Kuya Jet! Ang linaw po! Ang linaw naman dyan! Kuya, dahan-dahan ka ha! Ayan o, ang linaw guys, so. Ganto kami, makitaan lang namin ang spot. Okay na yan, basta malinaw yung tubig. Ayun o, si kuya na naman. Ang ganda nga eh. Basta malinaw yung tubig, okay na po kami. Inspired by Geo Ong. Shout out Geo Ong. Ayan na po kami, nasa Batis. Naku, tuwang-tuwa si kuya, oh. Nagpapaano lang, nagpapaanod. Ayan, 10:39 AM. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda dito. Nice. Napakatahimik. Wala tayong dalang tripod guys. Kalimutan natin ang dala ng tripod. Ang ganda rito. Napakatahimik. Subukan natin, sunod balik tayo rito, mag-camping tayo. Sama natin ang local campers at ang tropang OFW. Ang OFW.
Hello, hi.
Shout out. Kumakain na.
Kain muna ako ng singkamas.
Shout out sa tropang bata. Ano ba yun tayo?
Shout out sa tropang bata vloggers dyan, mga kaiglig surapin.
Ayun.
Kay Amir Lonsaga.
Kuya Amir, shout out sa'yo. Belated.
Kay Pundula TV. Junmar. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan.
Yan.
Kay Completo Ricados, kay Tia Galban. Shout out sa inyo.
Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Going to
Enjoy.
Where's the life like? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life like? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me.
Ayaw.
Done with my look behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where's the
Guys, try na natin pumunta sa ilog. Ang init! Ang init, guys! Tayo sa ilog. Ayun na sila. Tayo sa ilog.
baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, 'cause you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. You give me love and affection, I give you all my protection. I'm trying to stay by your side till the day I die. And you give me all of your love, and I give you all of my trust. I know you'll never betray me and leave my side. Oh my baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. The flowers bloom, girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. 'Cause I see your face when I'm sleeping. I wake up grateful to breathe in the air you flow through. I wrote you a lullaby, a song to sing on your pillow. Sweet as to swing on a willow. My sweetest words, I'm the birds in your perfect sky. Oh my baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. But I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine.
Kain muna tayo guys, tapos na kami magtampisaw.
Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this. Oh, baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine.
Liligpit na sila. Pauwi na po kami guys. Uwi na tayo. Bilisan lang. Ay guys, so pa. Uulan na. Kaya uwi na tayo. Ayos na yung tara let's. Siyempre.
Baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything that's sweet. I like the pretty faces, go waste my time. But you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide.
Ganda rito guys, oh. Ganda ng kulay ng.
You like this, but you feel fine.
Ang ganda nung ano nila, oh.
Love and affection, I give you all my protection. I'm trying to stay by your
Ayan,
side.
dito lang siya, oh. Ayan. Ito lang yung daan. Tapos, ayun, dun yung ilog sa baba. Uwi na! Saan ka na? Ay, sa kabila. Tara na, Pod! Halika na, sakay na, dali!
And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. 'Cause I see your face when I'm
Uwi na
sleeping.
tayo.
I wake up grateful to breathe in the air you flow through. I wrote you a lullaby.
Uwi na tayo!
Sabihin mo nandito si Gab. Ay, Robin nandito si Gab.
That's the swing.
Bye-bye po.
Kabila, isa lang artista doon.
Bye-bye po!
See you sa next vlog. Hello, Daddy.
Hey, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. But I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine.